I took a risk. Not because I had nothing to lose, but because I knew I had everything to gain. I've been working in the IT industry for years, day in, day out, solving problems, chasing deadlines, climbing the corporate ladder. And while it's a good job, a stable job, deep down, I've always known one thing: it won't last forever. One day, we all face the truth. You age, priorities shift, and the company you gave your years to might let you go. If you're lucky, they'll hand you retirement benefits. But for most of us, that won't be enough. So I asked myself a hard question: what can I do now, while I still have the strength and drive, to build something for my future? That's when I turned to Forex trading, not as a get-rich-quick scheme, but as a skill, a discipline, and most importantly, a path to freedom. I've tried side hustles before, sure, but nothing connected with me like Forex did. The idea that I can trade anytime, anywhere, that I can grow my income while still working my 9 to 5, it gave me hope. Yes, I know this journey won't be easy. There will be losses, there will be doubt, there will be setbacks. But I also know this: the harder the climb, the greater the view. I'm willing to risk my time, my effort, my comfort, because I believe the reward is worth it. Financial freedom isn't a dream for the lucky, it's a goal for the relentless. So if you're just starting your Forex journey, if you're struggling, if you're thinking of quitting, don't. Stick with it. Learn with me. Grow with me. Let's conquer this together. Because in Forex, just like in life, those who never quit are the ones who win. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.